Okie dokie. Okay, Simmy, tell me what's going on.
I'm dying.
Dying? You can't be dying. You got the hiccups. It sounds like you're gonna throw up. It kind of scares me. This is so cute. I'm so sad. That will brought the house down. My boob's getting out. Good, get out. Trying to make sure. That scared me.
You looked all offended. You were like,
Oh crap, if you make me laugh any harder, I'm gonna pee my pants. What the hell? You look, it sounded like a fucking toad. Crap, I need to go tinkle. So, I'll be right back, and you can enjoy the camera while it records. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go tinkle and keep hiccuping. Where is it?
well, Banana is going pee. I'm going to entertain you. These hiccups are annoying as a second. Hey, you're back and forth on. I hold my face back and forth because my hiccups are so evil. So
burp? Are the hiccups gone away yet?
You should have heard the manly burp I had. It was like, whoa.
Once your parents hear the burping? That's weird. They hear talking, but they don't hear burping. No.
They're still here. That's one tiny straw you got there.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
You still need to make your intro for our channel.
Yes, I do.
Uh-oh. Did something, the throw up come up your throat or something?
Almost.
Ew. Tina! Get down from there. I wonder if you should do it on camera. Meow! Why did you meow? You meow over there. Why can't you meow?
She's camera shy.
Tina, it's only... Oh, come on. Also, you growl that you can't meow. Did you hear her miss? Can you hear her growling? Oh, ow! Meow! Let's make you get the hiccups to make you meow. Go, be a scaredy cat. You little bitch. Meow! Stop being a little bitch. Excuse you. Can you see her? Let's hear her the way. Hi! Hi! throat.
What's that? Oh,
Can you hear yourself? Can you hear yourself?
Sure.
Yeah. It's because I have you on volume 100. So the camera can hear.
Video here.
Sure. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.